Everyone thinks the best-selling gaming liquid cooler is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB. The Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB liquid CPU cooler caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive specs, priced at $129.99. If you want low-noise, high-performance cooling, this is worth a serious look. This cooler features a 360mm radiator, which means it offers excellent surface area for heat dissipation, crucial for gamers who push their CPUs hard. The 3 RS120 ARGB fans included not only provide strong airflow, but also customizable lighting, letting you match your build's aesthetic. The whisper-quiet operation at just 20 dBA means you won't hear it over your gaming sounds, which is a huge plus. And the convex cold plate with pre-applied thermopaste makes installation a breeze, ensuring solid contact with your CPU right out of the box. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Effective cooling can lead to better performance and longevity for your CPU, especially during those intense gaming sessions. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, as long as you take your time and follow along with online videos, you should be fine. It's not a deal breaker, especially when the performance is so solid. This is perfect for you if you're looking for reliable, stylish cooling without the noise. Skip this one if you want something more straightforward or if you're on an ultra-tight budget. For the value, it's a solid investment for gamers. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB in white. The Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB in white is another stunning option, priced at $119.99. If your gaming setup needs a clean, modern aesthetic with top-notch cooling, this is worth checking out. Just like its black counterpart, this cooler features a 360mm radiator that effectively channels heat away from your CPU. With a slightly lower price point, you're still getting the same efficient, low-noise pump that operates at 20 dBA, keeping your system quiet. The RS120 ARGB fans offer solid airflow and static pressure, which is crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures during gaming marathons. The daisy chain connection feature is a game changer for cable management, reducing clutter in your case. Here's why this matters for you. Maintaining a tidy setup not only looks good, but also improves airflow within your case. Now, some users noted the fan noise at higher RPMs could be noticeable under heavy load. Here's the thing. That's common with many high-performance coolers, and if you're gaming, you'll likely drown it out with your audio. This is perfect for you if you want a visually striking cooler without compromising on performance. Skip it if you're looking for something with a more basic setup or if you need absolute silence. Overall, it's a great value for the quality you're getting. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more feature-rich experience. Product number 3, Corsair Titan 360 RX. The Corsair Titan 360 RX, which stands out with its LCD display, priced at $219.99. If you want both performance and a visual display of your CPU stats, this is a must-see. This cooler features a stunning 2.1-inch IPS LCD that can show your CPU temperature, custom GIFs, or even your team's logo, which is a fun touch for gamers who love customization. With a 360mm radiator and RX120 RGB fans, it maintains high airflow and static pressure, ensuring your CPU stays cool during intense gaming sessions. Plus, the FlowDrive cooling engine is designed to maximize contact with the CPU, enhancing thermal performance. Here's why this matters. If you overclock or run resource-heavy games, keeping your CPU cool is essential for performance and stability. Now, some might find the price tag a bit steep compared to simpler models, but here's the thing. The additional features like the LCD screen and unique design could be worth it for those looking to enhance their gaming rig's aesthetics. This is perfect for you if you want a cooler that not only performs well, but also adds a personal touch to your setup. Skip this if you're on a budget or prefer a more traditional design. For what you get, it's definitely a worthwhile investment. Now, if price is a concern for you, the next product might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Cooler Master 360L Core. The Cooler Master 360L Core comes in at a budget-friendly $67.99. If you're looking for solid cooling without breaking the bank, this could be a great option. This cooler features a 360mm radiator and 3 ARGB PWM fans, which provide decent airflow without a hefty price tag. The patented Gen S dual-chamber pump enhances cooling efficiency by targeting heat spots, making it a solid choice for gamers who need reliable performance. Plus, the included cryo-fused thermal paste offers excellent conductivity to keep your CPU temperatures in check. Here's why this matters. Effective cooling can lead to better overclocking potential and system longevity. Now, some users noted that the ARGB lighting could be a bit dim compared to pricier options. Here's the thing though, if you're not overly concerned with flashy lights and just want solid performance, this cooler does the job well at a fraction of the cost. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cooler that won't drain your wallet. Skip it if you're set on advanced features or want more vibrant lighting options. It's a fantastic value for the performance you receive. Alright, that was a fantastic budget option, but the final one on our list is a great all-arounder.
Product number 5, PC Cooler DC360. The PC Cooler DC360, priced at $84.99. If you're after a high-performance cooler with some fun features, this one's worth your attention. The DC360 features a vibrant 2.4-inch IPS display that can show CPU temperatures or customized animations, which is a cool way to make your build stand out. With a silent next-gen pump running at only 15 dBA and included F5 ARGB fans, this cooler balances performance and aesthetics nicely. The fans deliver impressive airflow, making it suitable for gaming and overclocking scenarios. Here's why this matters. Maintaining cool temperatures is vital during extended gaming periods to prevent throttle down and ensure smooth performance. Now, some users mention that the installation could be a bit tricky due to the universal mounting brackets, but here's the thing. Once you get it right, it's well worth the effort for the performance and style it adds to your rig. This is perfect for you if you want a cooler that combines functionality with visual flair. Skip this if you prefer something straightforward or have minimal interest in aesthetics. For the price, you're getting excellent performance and unique features.
So, to recap, the Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB offers impressive performance and low noise, while the white version gives you a sleek look at a great price. The Titan 360 RX brings a stunning LCD display and advanced cooling features. The Cooler Master 360L Core is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. And finally, the PC Cooler DC360 adds a fun visual element without breaking the bank. Each of these coolers has something unique to offer, so it really depends on what you're looking for in your gaming setup.